Hey Chlorine kids, welcome back for another Chlorine King vlog. Today's topic is something to help set you guys apart from everyone else. If you guys have learned one thing about me, it's all about helping people, helping the industry as a whole succeed. So with that said, the topic today is how to set yourself apart from the competition. Now, I've already talked about how to be successful in the pool industry and all that stuff, but didn't really give a lot of examples in that. It's more of an overview. This video is a specific situation that I ran into, and it's not to toot my own horn, it's not to talk about how great I am or anything like that, but her review about me was, and it's, I quote, "I've never seen any business do what Eric did." So I think that's a huge compliment and validates what I'm about to tell you guys. So this specific situation, this lady came out and wanted me to do an estimate on repairing some electrical work, fixing a broken pipe, and that kind of stuff. So I went out there and, did an estimate, and we came to an agreement on price, and I told her I'd be out there on Tuesday, for instance. Well, Monday's job was a huge installation, and we ran into a lot of, basically every coding issue that you could run into, I ran into it. So had a delay, couldn't get it all done on Monday, so we had to do it on Tuesday, which meant I had to push this lady back. And she never expressed any dissatisfaction or anything like that, but I don't like to say I'm going to do something and not do it. It's one of those, like the old phrase goes, do as you say and say as you do. I truly believe in that. So even though she didn't really express any dissatisfaction, I was upset myself. So anyways, come Wednesday, we're still not done with the job. Again, it's just one thing after another, it seems. And it got to the point, it was like 6:30 at night. 99.99% of people would have hung it up for the day. Not just in the pool industry, just period. Like, they want to go home and relax. And, I said, you know what? I was tired of pushing her back. I said, let me go over there and take care of it. So I went over there, did the work, got most of it done in the daylight, but did run into the dark. Anyways, I didn't leave their house until like 9:30. And she just kept talking about, wow, I can't believe you stayed this late. I really appreciate you, blah, 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 and all that stuff. And that's something that hopefully you guys can learn about. If you guys go above and beyond and follow through with what you're going to say and are willing to do things that other companies just won't do, you're going to be successful. It's a guarantee. Chlorine King guarantee. So, just really think about what you're doing out there. Follow through with what you're going to say, and I promise you guys are going to do great. So, as always, like and subscribe, stay tuned for more videos, and have a great day, everyone.